Hello everyone, welcome back to the Success Coach. Today we're going to be learning about place value, but it's until the hundredths place. If you guys do not know what place value is, then this video is going to be right for you. Today we're going to be learning about the place value, which means ones, tens, hundreds, all those that make up a number, like the number 378. There are three place values, ones, tens, and hundreds. We're going to be learning those three main place values. So why don't we go ahead and get started? This is going to be the lesson target. The target of this lesson is to understand that three-digit numbers represent the amounts of hundreds, tens, and ones by using place value to skip count and compare numbers within 1,000. Each digit represents a place value. Here you can see the number 236. There's a 2, and on top of the 2 is the word hundreds. There's a 3, and on top of the 3 there's the word tens. And there's a 6. On top of the 6 is the word ones. 2 stands for 2 hundreds. 3 stands for 3 tens. 6 stands for 6 ones. When you add them all together, 2 hundreds plus 3 tens plus 6 ones, you get the number 236. And here you can see the same number, 236. This represents 200 plus 30 plus 6, which is known as expanded form. And this same number is read as 236. Some people make the number of saying 236. You should not say 236 because it can get you tripped up with decimals, because you can also say, with decimals, you can also say 80 and 8 tenths. And since you can only use and in that case, you shouldn't really say and when you're saying 236 or any other number in that case. You should just say 236. This is known as word form. We can use pictures to represent each place. 2 hundreds, 3 tens, you can see 3 tens, and 6 ones, and then you can see 6 ones. Now, why don't we go ahead and practice? How do you write 412 in expanded form? I will give you guys 5 seconds to think. Okay, the answer is 400 plus 10 plus 2. But if 5 seconds is not enough for you, you can go ahead and pause the video. It is always available. The next question is, what three-digit number is represented here? Did you say that the three-digit number that was represented here was 459? If you say that, you are right on. Here's the next one. What is the value of this underlined digit? Did you say the value of the underlined digit was 70? If you said that, you are also correct too. Here's the next question. Compare the value of these numbers. 432 is greater or less than 872. Did you say that the answer was 432 is less than 872? If you said this, you're righty on because you are absolutely correct. Anyway, guys, that is all what we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode.